Hello unique divas, hope you guys are doing great. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to form these rows on this turban design. Also, I'll be teaching you the beginner's method on how to achieve this fan design. This particular video will give you a detailed process on how to get this fan design, even how to sew it. So don't skip any part of this video. For this project, I used a Mikado fabric. You can use raw silk or any satin fabric in order to get a firm design. So the length of this fabric is 15 inches by 11 inches width, okay? First thing you should do is to fold your fabric this way, okay? Fold it this way. Then after folding it, I just had to pin the tip. Then after doing that, drag it this way. You can see what I'm doing and sew down. There's a reason for you to fold the way you did the first one, then sew it down. After sewing, this will be the outcome of what you will get. You turn it out, use your scissors to cut out this edge, okay? Whatever you'll be doing here, you do it on the other side of the fabric. Then fold in and use your sewing machine to sew this tip. Now, this is when you do your running stitch, okay? With your needle and thread, form your gathers this way. Please, once you get to this tip, make sure you sew on this line. That's what I'm doing. That particular line where you sew with your sewing machine, form your running stitch on it. I don't know if you understand me. So continue with this process till you reach the end of the fabric. So next thing is to start forming the rows. Pick the tip of this fabric and fold it the way you're seeing, okay? Make sure you fold it in, like roll it in. Then use your needle and thread to hold this first part. Please, this particular process matters a lot. If you don't do this, you won't get that forming, that curvy rose shape inside your rose, okay? So just tack once you are done folding it in, then continue to roll round that place you started. You understand? Take this bit by bit so you don't mess your work up. Just continue folding in. Once you fold in, you tack. You fold in, you tack. Then after folding the whole thing, you now tack with your needle and thread, okay? Also, if you want your rows to be fuller than this, increase the width of your fabric. If you want it to be smaller, reduce the width of your fabric. I don't know if you get me. So next thing we'll be doing now is to attach this on the turban design. You can decide to keep it at the center or by the side of the turban, then use your needle and thread and attach it. To learn how to form the turban cap base, look for this video on my channel. It will guide you to achieve it. So guys, this is the outcome of the turban cap. Hope you will be trying this. If you have reached this level and do not like this video, please do so. Alright, for the next phase of this tutorial, you'll be learning the fan design. If you're a beginner in autogele making and you're finding it difficult to form your fan for autogele, this video is for you. I'll be using this to teach you how you can form your fan design, even if you want to form your half fan or your full fan for your autogele, okay? So guys, I'll be teaching you the beginner's method on how to get your fan design. So the length of this fabric is 32 inches, though I doubled it, okay? You can see the way it is. I doubled it. So you can use only one piece to form your design. So I'll start forming the fan design. Just watch and concentrate how I got it. So first of all, from this point, you form your triangle, okay? Just fold in this way. Just watch and see what I'm doing. You fold this way, you take it down. From here again, you slant your hand. Understand? Just slant. Take small here, take big here. Take small here, then take big here. You can see it. You fold it in. Do you understand what I'm saying? Alright? So next thing you do again is take the same, slant your hand again. Take small here, take big here. Just as if you bent your hand, as if you are slanting it. I don't know. Just fold it. You can use pin, but for me, I don't use pin. Just slant. Big here, small here. That's what I'm doing. Then fold in. Don't forget, as you do this, you slant. That's what I'm doing. I'll do it again. Take small here. This place is always bigger than here. So you take small here again and take big here. That's what I'm doing. and this is how it is. Now, how you know you are getting this is if you look, you will notice that this thing is coming like a zigzag format. Watch, it's coming like this, zigzag format. Can you see it? So if yours is not coming in a zigzag format, it means you are not getting it. Can see it. Then for this end pant, just fold in like this. And this many part. That's what I just did. This many part, just fold it in this way. And that's it, guys. So this is it. Remember, I started from here and I ended here, okay? So from this point here, you want to fold in this way. Just fold it in this way. But don't forget to pick that small one I told you. So I'll be picking this. Please let me quickly drop this information. If you want to start making money with your cell phone, I mean, if you want to start a digital business, but you don't know who to guide you, you don't know where to start, maybe you want to start up your YouTube channel, you want to start making money on your Facebook account, you want it to be monetized, or you want your TikTok account to be monetized, I mean, making money with your phone. If you're interested, drop interested on the comment section or check the comment section. There is a pinned message there, the link there. Tap on it and join the group. I created a group for people who are interested to start making money with their cell phone. Please, this is meant for people who are serious. I just want to help few people, not crowd. I don't even want crowd. I want to help few people to start earning with their cell phone. So if you want to grab this opportunity, join the group now for free. To place the fan. So actually, I'm not using this for this work. Twist will be here. Net. Why this fan? See. So assuming you want to get a full fan, you should cut this up to 55 inches length or 60 inches. So it will can go round. You have a full fan, 55 inches length or 60 inches, so that it can be able to go to the back right round. So guys, hope you learned something new today. Please, if you're a fashion designer, don't forget to like this video. Also give me a follow and share this video so that's beneficial what we just did. See you guys in my next video. Bye.